I wish you would come visit Speed Circuit.
That would be pretty cool. Would you show us around in a little bit?
Of course, yeah.
Welcome to Tesla Super Destinations,
where we review Tesla's charging infrastructure and get to know the cool people there.
Today we're speeding towards a slow charger at the district at Eastlake UNLISTED Destination Chargers in Chula Vista, California.
let's get charged up.
Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Chula Vista, California, where they have a total of 4 destination chargers in this lot. And I believe they may even be an unlisted destination chargers. Unlisted destination chargers! Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Please show that support. Hit the like button and the subscribe button to know what the heck we're doing. And if you know anyone that wants to hang with us, make sure you share this content over with them. So here are my initial impressions of these 4 destination chargers, which I believe are unlisted. Initial thoughts. You're right next to some superchargers, so let me just pan over really quickly. So if you want to hang in this area, do some indoor karting and shopping, these destination chargers might be the solution for you. Initial feelings. I don't have any outstanding feelings whatsoever, except I feel lonely. You're in the back end of the parking lot. It seems to be a safe area enough anyways. Initial concerns. Talking about safety. I don't know why anyone would come here, because there's no one here on this side of the parking lot. But anyways, if you're going to be here and you're going to hang out here for a while in your Tesla, these destination chargers are your answer. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the review. Let's give our guest Cymone our ear so she can tell us about the area.
I think they're super cool. They seem really convenient for everyone who has a Tesla. I always see people hanging out in their cars, and it's great because they sometimes come in and visit us too. We have a lot to do in this shopping center. Obviously, we have the Eastlake Speed Circuit right here. There's also places like Lolita's and Kanya, the sushi restaurant. There's also Vega Cafe. There's really a lot to do here. There's other places in the shopping center like Sky Zone and Ninja Factory, but like we have go-karting. We also have like human hamster balls, a zip line, an arcade, all that fun stuff.
A full star for chargers, 4 of them at an unknown KV 24/7. Bathrooms gets half a star. You just have to go forward and back 447 feet away inside Speed Circuit. Safety gets a full star, well-lit outdoor parking. Food and beverage gets a full star, snacks inside Speed Circuit, plus around the area, coffee, local eats, and a bar. Cool factor gets a full star. If you are going to slow charge at this unlisted destination charger, then you may as well blow off some steam at Speed Circuit. There's go-karts, a trampoline park, a ropes course, and a full arcade. Otherwise, you can check out the other businesses in this well-rounded shopping, entertainment, food, activity, and health and worship center. The district at Eastlake Unlisted Destination Chargers gets a 4.5 TSD rating. Non-rated noteworthy mentions: 1.4 miles from the 125 toll freeway, Otay Lakes Road exit. That's right, Otay. Need to speed your charging? Go right underneath to the 16 solar shaded superchargers, which is adjacent. Let's give our guest Cymone the final word. Now, should other EVs be allowed to charge at Tesla's chargers besides Tesla vehicles?
I think so. I think it would be cool to open it up for everybody, in my opinion.
If your car was totaled, what would your next car be?
Probably a Lexus or like a BRZ, something like that.
That sounds pretty cool. Do you have any final words of wisdom for the people out there?
Just stay safe, stay happy.
Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you later, okay?
Congrats! You made it to the end. Comment your electric thoughts and share with your circle of trust.
Thanks for letting us supercharge your Tesla destination.
See you at our next super destination.
Help me complete this sentence. Dear Elon.
Dear Elon, I wish you would come visit Speed Circuit.
That would be pretty cool. Would you show us around in a little bit?
Of course, yeah.